Hello out there, this is Kelly with Chicago Movie Tours. In this video, which finishes up our series on Chicago's Route 66 and Hollywood, let's travel back to September 2007 when the waitstaff of Chicago's oldest restaurant referred to the movie The Dark Knight as, what? Rory's first kiss. Located only 2 blocks from the start of Route 66, the Berghoff restaurant has been in almost continuous operation since 1898. Supposedly, it is the oldest eatery on the Mother Road. In addition to its longevity and its tasty German-American cuisine, the Berghoff is recognized for its participation in Christopher Nolan's superhero movie, The Dark Knight. In one scene, Gary Oldman's character arrests a group of mobsters inside the Berghoff's wood-paneled dining room. Before Nolan's crew began filming the mobster scene, the Berghoff staff was required to sign an agreement not to disclose a Batman movie was being made. Instead, the waiters, hosts, and bartenders were directed to call the film by its code name, Rory's First Kiss. So why do movies in production have code names or working titles? Number 1, to discourage crowds. If a movie in production has immediate brand name recognition, like Harry Potter or modern-day superhero films, the crew wants to discourage rubberneckers from interfering with their work. Number 2, to keep costs low. Some movies in production opt for code names so they won't get overcharged by suppliers on things like construction materials and catering. After all, the studio behind The Dark Knight probably has way deeper pockets than whoever's filming Rory's First Kiss, right? Number 3, to suppress competition. Another reason to create a code name is so other filmmakers don't steal it. In the pre-production or early production phase, you don't want others catching wind of your good movie title and then stealing it. Number 4, to bide time. Finally, filmmakers choose code names simply because they may not have settled on a title yet. For example, the working title of Casablanca was Everybody Comes to Rick's. Back to the Berghoff and Route 66. Hey, that's me and my parents. When all was said and done, The Dark Knight's code name did not make much difference, especially since some casting notices explained that Rory's First Kiss was, quote, a Warner Brothers production directed by Christopher Nolan and starring Christian Bale and Gary Oldman, end quote. So there you have it. 4 reasons filmmakers like Christopher Nolan use code names or working titles for their films. Well, this concludes our week focusing on Chicago's Route 66 and Hollywood. Hope you enjoyed our time on the Mother Road. Be sure to check out the rest of our weekly activities on chicagomovietours.com.